You searched how to buy shares of Wolftank Adisa Holding AG. Wolftank Adisa Holding AG is an industrial company focused on storage tanks and energy infrastructure, listed on Xetra under the ticker WAH.DE, and this video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds to your account before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WAH.DE to find the company listing. Select the matching Wolftank Adisa Holding AG result to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent movements. Check the issuer name and ticker on the page to confirm it is the correct Wolftank Adisa Holding AG listing. Click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when it reopens. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it anytime. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the video description.